Hello students, today we are going to start class 3rd, subject computer, chapter 3, understanding Windows 7. First, operating system. A set of programs that control and manage all the tasks in a computer is called a operating system. What is the operating system? Operating system is controls and manage all the tasks in our computer and it's called operating system. Now, primary features of Windows 7. The primary access point for programs is provided by Start menu. Second, it contains snipping tool, an application to capture images, and it comes with enable search tool. It allows many users to work on numerous programs at the same time. It is a user friendly. It's a primary features of Windows 7. First is start menu, snipping tools, search tool, many users to work on numerous programs and user friendly. Okay, now desktop and icons. When we switch on a computer system, the Windows 7 get loaded. The very first screen that appears on the system is called desktop. When we open the switch on the computer, the first thing on screen appear is called desktop. The small objects with labels on the desktop are called icons. On a screen that when desktop comes, the small columns over there we call them icons. It's your desktop and they all are your icons. Okay, when any of the icons are clicked and specific programs open. When we click on the icon, the specific programs will open, and it's your taskbar, it's your clock, and it's your icons. Common icons on desktop. A long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Here this horizontal line, this called a taskbar. Now taskbar have a start button. On taskbar line have a start button, quick launch bar, and the show desktop over here. The date and time is present on the right side of the taskbar and the left side taskbar contain here. It's your right side. They have a date, time present over on a right side, and the left side they have a start button and other open programs. Now, on clicking the computer icon from the desktop, all the files present in the computer will be displayed on computer. When we open the desktop, the icons, when we click on the icons, the file present in our computer will be displayed. Shortcut of few programs will also appear on the desktop. The shortcut few programs also appear on the desktop. Arranging and sorting icons on desktop. In order to arrange and sort the icons, we need to select the icons. First, select any icon, just click on it and it will be highlighted. Then second, to deselect an icon, click away from that icon. So the icon will deselect. Second, now the step to arrange the desktop icons are how to arrange the desktop icon. Now see the steps. First, perform right click on the desktop screen. First, click on mouse, right click on a desktop screen. The small menu with list option will appear. You can see over here the list will appear. Select view option. Select view option. The first option is your view option. Click auto arrange icons. When you select the view, the second list will appear. In second list you have to click on auto arrange icons option from the sub menu. Notice the changes. Then you have to notice the changes. The steps to sort the desktop icons are: first, perform right click. Again you have to right click on your mouse on desktop screen. A small menu with list option will appear. Again the same list will appear. Then select sort by. The second option is your sort by. Then click on sort by. The second list will appear. In that you have to click on name. The first option is your name option from the sub menu. Then notice that the icon will be rearranged in the alphabetical order. Then you see the icons are rearranged in the alphabetical order. Okay. Now changing the desktop background. Now we will change the background of our desktop. The appearance of the desktop background can be changed according to our wish. The steps to change the desktop background are: first, perform right click on the blank area. First, on desktop the blank area we will click right click. Then second, a small menu with the list option will appear. Again the list will appear. Select personalization option. The personalization window appear here, or the last is our option. Now click desktop background and choose the desired desktop background. A window with multiple images appear. Then we will click on desktop background and the desktop background where the multiple images will appear. Select either one picture of for desktop background or more than one picture to create a slideshow. We can select one picture also, and we can select the slideshow also, the picture to create a slideshow. Now next, the selected background will appear on monitor as a preview. Then the background then what we select will appear on the background of our monitor. After selecting the background, click on the save changes button and close the window. Look over here, you can see the desktop background. Okay. After selecting, click on save changes button and then close the window. Now setting screen saver. The screen display an image when the computer is kept idle for a period of time. This is called a screen saver. The steps to set the screen saver are: first, perform right click on a blank area of desktop. A small menu with list of options appear. Click the screen saver option. The screen saver setting windows appear and select a screen saver as a desired. Click the preview button and a preview of the selected screen saver appears. Set the time in wait box and click apply and OK button. Shut down the computer. How we will shut down the computer? The steps to turn off or shut down the computer are: first option, click the start button. Then second, select shut down button. On start button you can see they have a button of the shutdown. The system will shut down after a few seconds. After the clicking the button of shutdown, after a few seconds it will be closed and your computer will be off. Now you have to you have to take your pencil over your hand and mark down the difficult words. First is start menu, snipping tools, search tools, friendly, desktop, icons, control, manage operating system, taskbar, computer, show desktop, quick launch bar, start button. Select any icon. This selected auto arrange icons, sort by, personalize, screen saver, preview. This is your difficult words. Now come to exercise. First, Windows 7 contain dash application to capture images, spinning tool. The spelling SNIPPING, spinning TOOL tool. Second, the small object with labels on desktop screen are called icons. The spelling of icons ICONS, icons. Now third, we have to dash on the mouse to select on an object on desktop screen. Left click. The spelling of left click LEFT, left, CLICK, click. Fourth one, setting a new screen when the computer is idle can be done by using the dash feature. Screen saver, SCREEN, screen, SAVER, saver. Now true false. First, shortcuts of few programs appear on the desktop. False. Second, Windows 7 does not have a start button. False. Third, selected icons on the desktop can be deselected. True. A preview can be seen through the screensaver features. True. Now choose the correct options. First, this controls and manages all the tasks in the computer operating system. Option A. Second, which is the primary access point for all programs? Answer is desktop. Option C is your answer. Now come to question number 3. A icon marked with arrow is called shortcut. Your answer is option C. Now question number B. Answer the following and you have to do in copy. Okay, after difficult words. Now first question, what is a desktop? Your answer, the very first screen that appear on the system is called desktop. Now question number 2, what is a taskbar? Answer, a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Now question number 3, state the purpose of shortcut programs. Answer, a shortcut programs come with an arrow on the icon. On double clicking, the program opens directly. Now write the steps to change the desktop background. Answer. Step to change the desktop background is on page number 20. Take out the page number 20. Page number 20. First, write this line. Step to change the desktop background. Then you have to write the steps. First, perform right click on blank area of the desktop. Second step, a small menu with the list of options will appear. Third step, select personalize option. The personalization window appears. Then fourth step, click desktop background and choose the desired desktop background. A window with multiple images appear. Then fifth step, select either one picture for desktop background or more than one picture to create slide show. Then next, the selected background will appear on the monitor as preview. Then last, after selecting the background, click on the Save Changes button and close the window. So it's your answer number 4. Steps. This work you have to do in your copy. After completing your work, you have to learn your exercise and the question answers. Thank you.